everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Ashley with FlexiFuse. I'm going to show you how to make this month's free pattern, these cute Valentine's cards. Okay, I have my templates all printed out and ready to trace onto the FlexiFuse. I'm just going to grab one of my sheets. Okay, now that I've traced out all the templates, I'm going to do a rough cut around them. Okay, I'm going to start with my card that has the strips of fabric. I grabbed some strips that I already had in my stash and started sewing them wrong sides together until I had enough fabric to cover my FlexiFuse templates. So I'm going to grab everything that we sewed together, and I've pressed the seams as flat as I could. So what we're going to do is kind of decide where I want my heart. Kind of want to do right there. So alright. Now that we figured out where we want to place our heart, what we're going to do is press and hold, you know the drill, high heat, no steam, 10 seconds. We're going to let this cool and start on the hearts for the other card. Alright, I've got my pile of scrap fabrics and I'm going to start fusing my templates to them. Alright, I think I'm just going to do the 3 balloons for this card. Now that I've got them all fused and they're relatively cool, I'm going to cut them all out, including my strips one. Okay, so included in this pattern, the last 2 pages, are layouts for cards. I just printed these on a heavier cardstock. And then that way, if you are not feeling like writing it yourself or, you know, designing one, then we already designed some for you. And I'm going to start with this card. So we're going to find a good place to peel off the FlexiFuse, and you can tell by how shiny it is that it is completely fused. Okay, and we can iron this directly onto the paper, again pressing and holding for about 10 seconds. Okay, it's all ironed down. We have a couple options on how to finish this. We can either put Mod Podge over the top, or you can sew around it. And I am going to try sewing around it. Okay, onto the balloon card. Now I have everything all stitched down and these cards are ready to be filled out and sent to my loved ones.